Oregano means joy of the mountain in ancient Greek. Oregano is native to the Mediterranean region, all towards East Asia. It is estimated that there are over 40 different species and countless hybrids of oregano. The herb was virtually unknown in the Americas until soldiers from World War I brought it back from Italy. Oregano is a shrubby-like herb with multiple branched stems, growing either upright or in a creeping manner. The leaves are narrow and arrow-shaped with a soft, fuzzy texture. In the late summer, small white flowers bloom from the flower spikes. Oregano is said to have a balsamic flavor, a combination of mint, thyme, and rosemary. There are a number of reasons why you should use oregano as companion plants. Pest repelling, health benefits, they grow well with and add flavors to herbs, fruits, and flowers. The best reason is because they are extremely easy to grow. Oregano contains vitamins, minerals, and omega-3 fatty acids. Phytonutrients in oregano contain 4 times the antioxidant power compared to blueberries. 2 main compounds found in oregano are thymol and carvacrol, which are the natural chemicals that give oregano a specific flavor profile. They have strong antibacterial and antifungal properties.